Hey there folks, today we're going to be showing you how to replace your hardwired smoke alarm, and we're going to be replacing it with this first alert smoke alarm and carbon monoxide alarm. They're both combined into this one alarm, and you can see on the packaging that it is a wired cable, which is the one we need, and you'll have this logo here as well as right here. You can see it's a quick connect plug, so you don't actually have to turn your power off. You just disconnect your old one and put it back in. So we're going to go ahead and get started and get the old one out and show you how it's done. All right, so to disconnect your old unit, you're going to simply twist it and you'll have your quick release adapter here. We're just going to use our flat blade screwdriver and pop that adapter out. Then we're going to take, there should be 2 screws on your ceiling that are holding this into place. Just partially spin them out, not all the way. Then you're going to twist the frame of your old alarm and it should pop down like that. All right, so here we have the old one and the new one. You can see, even though they are different brands, they both have the same adapter pin setup. So it's a universal pin setup, and don't mind the chirping. It'll do that because the old one doesn't have a battery backup. We actually upgraded to one that does have one, so that's another thing to look out for. Make sure you get one with a battery backup, so if your power goes off, you still are armed and ready just in case you have a fire during a power outage. And if you're wondering how to know that your unit is expired, you can see the date that it was made. So it's supposed to be replaced every 10 years. So this is coming up soon, so we're doing it now. And on the new one, here it is right over here. And when this is attached to the wall, you don't have to take the whole thing down. You can just twist it off. And when you pull it down, you can leave the wire on and you'll be able to see the date. So let's go ahead and get this installed into the ceiling and we'll be good to go. All right, now the frame of the new alarm will go in just the same. And they have all these different sides to it. If you can see, it's kind of a weird shape. That's to adapt to many different sizes of boxes here. So your screws should fit no matter what. Now you take your new alarm, plug it in the same way that you pulled the old one out. Match up your prongs with the holes on your adapter here. All right, that's active now. It's a lot louder than the old one. And with the battery backup ones, you'll have this plastic piece and it says pull to activate the batteries. So we pull that out. When you need to replace the batteries, you should replace them every year in the new year. You just pull out the tray here and pop out your batteries, put some fresh ones in. We like to use rechargeable, save the planet, and pop it back in and you're backed up via battery power. And then test it. As always with any alarm, test it when you install it to make sure you've done it right. Be prepared, it's gonna be very loud. All right, so that alarm is good to go. Hopefully you found this helpful, everybody. And as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.